If you've recently installed a new Windows operating system or simply want to install multiple applications, downloading them one by one can be quite a headache. But don't worry, I'm here to show you a simple solution. Welcome to the Hack Guy channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of downloading multiple apps at once. So, without further ado, let's dive right into it. To access the website, simply go to ninite.com, link provided in the description. Here, you'll find a variety of essential applications that you can choose and download all at once. It's super convenient. Just select the apps you want. Scroll down and click on Get Your Ninite. This will initiate the download of the Ninite setup file. Once it's downloaded, navigate to the file and open it. Ninite will then proceed to download and install all of your selected apps. It's safe, fast, and hassle-free. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. If you encounter any difficulties, please leave a comment and I'll respond as soon as possible. Also, be sure to share this video with your friends who might find it useful. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.